Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are fine and happy. Thank you so much for your love and support. As you know, we have been learning to ask WH questions on different structures. Today we are going to learn the questions on present perfect sentences. In present perfect WH questions, we use the required WH words before the helping verbs have or has. Then comes the subject, then the third form of the verb, and then the other part of the sentence. Has is used with the third person singular number subjects and have is used with the other subjects.
Hi George.
Hey Lara, today we will go through some work questions on present perfect sentences which will help our dear viewer to communicate fluently.
Yeah, I am always happy to do that. Let's start.
What have you taken in your breakfast today?
Bread, mixed vegetable fry and a glass of milk.
Why have the villages blocked this way?
They want to be safe from coronavirus.
Where have you left your luggage?
My uncle has taken to his house.
Who has broken the glass of that window?
Some children of our area were playing cricket. They have broken.
Whose car have you brought to office today?
It's my father's.
Why has Sonia taken leave today?
She has taken her mother to hospital.
Who has come in place of Mr. Ghosh?
A new lady named Miss Rita Roy.
Whom have you told to do that work?
Our maidservant has taken the responsibility.
Who has got the highest mark this time?
Vikram has got.
Where has your brother got a seat for graduation?
In the nearby college. But he is saying to change.
Why have you bought so many things?
We are going on a long trip next week.
Why have you closed the windows?
Moths and insects are coming inside.
Where has your father gone?
He has gone to my sister's house.
Who has kept these copies on my table?
Those are Rohan's. He is cleaning his cupboard. He will take after some time.
Why has he dug many pits in the garden?
He will plant some new kinds of trees there.
How have you set the photos in that room?
I don't know. My brother has set. He is brilliant.
Who has taught you English grammar?
Mr. Sharma.
Where has he got these things from?
He has bought everything from our market only.
How many students have come today?
There are 35 students in your class today.
How much money have you given for his new books?
He has taken 2,000 rupees.
Thank you, dear friends, for watching till the end. Please share the video to everyone you know so that they will also watch and learn. Subscribe the channel for regular videos. Be happy and keep healthy. Bye for now.